Welcome back to our hive. We continue to discover the secrets of bee life. So let's go. Meet this drone, the male of the family. It is characterized by huge eyes that almost close on top of its head. Its main and virtually only role is to fertilize the queen bee. And with the arrival of autumn, they are driven out of the hive to preserve precious food supplies. Before you is the queen. There is only one of her in the hive. Her main mission is to lay eggs, and at the height of the season, she is capable of laying up to 2,000 eggs per day. She has an elongated abdomen and sting, lives up to 5 years, and worker bees always take care of her, feed it with royal jelly, clean it, and protect it. The hive has its own microclimate, and when it's hot outside, the bees, holding onto the walls and flapping their wings, ventilate the hive, evaporating the water they have brought, thus maintaining a stable 35 degrees. Meanwhile, a crowd gathers at the entrance, waving wings to drive fresh air inside. Bees always sleep in the hive, but it also happens outside. This happens when the bee is overtired. It gets cold, it gets dark, far from home, or bad weather catches them in the field. But it is dangerous to do so because bees have many enemies: swallow, bee eater, wasps, hornets, ants, badgers, usually at night, attack apiaries, overturn hives. Woodpeckers can cause problems, especially in winter when they are looking for food. Mice can enter the hive in winter and damage the honeycombs. Bears completely break and tear apart the hive, eat the honey of the larvae and bees. When a threat to the hive appears, one bee raises the alarm and everyone is protected collectively. The bees first circle to warn, and if the enemy does not retreat, they attack. Each worker bee has a stinger with which it can only attack the enemy once, after which it dies. Did you know that when bees find a rich source of nectar or discover a new water spot, they start to dance after returning home, and movements are the transmission of information to colleagues, the direction to the sun, the distance to the flowers, the quality of the harvest. Waving its abdomen and drawing eights in the air, the bee draws a living map of the field. If the flowers are close, up to 100 meters, then the bee performs a circular dance, running in circles on the honeycombs, and if the source is further away, she moves in a figure 8. When there are too many bees in one colony, swarming occurs. This is a method of reproduction of the bee colony when the old queen leaves the hive with some of the bees and looks for a new place to live. In spring, a colony can number up to 40,000 bees. In summer, a strong colony may have around 80,000 individuals. In autumn, a winter population forms about 40,000 bees, and in winter, around 25,000 bees remain in the hive. And how do they keep warm in the winter? They all gather in a dense ball with the queen and brood in the center. Outer bees are replaced by inner bees. Heat is preserved like in a thermos. Bees generate warmth by vibrating their chest muscles, acting like tiny heaters. The density of the cluster is regulated. When it gets colder, it tightens. When it gets warmer, it expands. A hive is not just a house. It is a living organism where the temperature is maintained not by the walls but by its inhabitants themselves. And this is only a small part of the amazing world of nature. On our channel, you'll find many more fascinating facts. Move on to the next video.